Hi everyone, Michael Ollendick here with Bill Caldwell Ford on this Feature Friday. Today I'm here to talk to you about the all-new zone lighting available on the 2021 F-150. What zone lighting is it allows you to turn on lights all around the truck located at the front, the side view mirrors here, and as well as the back. So you can see whether you're working outside at night or if you're camping or just need some extra light there to see. So there are two ways to control the all-new zone lighting. The first way I'm going to show you is using the free FordPass app. You can control the lighting from here. So on your FordPass app, you will go over to the vehicle page down there, and then you will scroll until you see zone lighting. You'll click on zone lighting, and from here you will turn the power on so you can utilize the system. From there, you have the option to turn on all zones all around the vehicle, or you can pick and choose. For this example, we're just going to turn on the headlamps. So you'll click on the front facing and the headlamps will turn on. And in the same regard, to turn it off, you click on the headlamp button and the headlamps will turn off. Otherwise, if you turn on all zones, if you take a look around the vehicle, you will see all the lights around the vehicle are now on. The other method for utilizing the zone lighting feature on your 2021 F-150 is on the infotainment screen here. By clicking on Features tab, you will see zone lighting if it's equipped with zone lighting. You'll click on that, and again, just like in the app, you'll make sure that the power is on for that system. And then from here, very similar to the app, you will see all zones where you can control all lighting zones or individually turning them on. Thanks for tuning in on this Feature Friday to learn about the zone lighting feature on the all-new 2021 F-150. Come visit me, Michael Ollendick, at Bill Caldwell Ford in Hudson, Iowa, to check out all the other awesome features that these vehicles have to offer.